34. This is page 536. Evaluate each rational function or expression for x equals 1 and x equals negative 2. Write undefined if appropriate. 34. 3x times x plus 2 over x squared minus 1. Alright? And I have to find the value of this expression for x equals 1 and x equals negative 2. Right? So if this is a function of x, you have to find f of 1 and f of negative 2. Let's go with the first one, f of 1. What do we have to do here? We have to find the function, the value of the function for x equals 1, which means instead of x, you will substitute 1, right? And this becomes 3 times 1 times 1 plus 2, everything over 1 squared minus 1. Okay? Now before I'm finding what is the numerator equal to, let's look at the bottom. I have 1 minus 1. So what's going to happen in here? It's going to be 0, which means this one is undefined, right? Because I cannot have a denominator of 0. F of 1 is undefined. Basically, x equals 1 cannot be part of your function's domain, right? X has to be different than 1. Let's check the next one. F of negative 2 equals, wherever you have x, you will substitute negative 2. F of negative 2. Well, here you have to substitute for x negative 2, right? So I have 3 times negative 2 times negative 2 plus 2 over negative 2 squared minus 1. And this will be order of operations. You go with the top, parentheses first, right? What is negative 2 times 2? That'll be 0, right? And knowing that this one is 0, it really doesn't matter what other factors you have here. The top is going to be 0. Now let's check the bottom. The bottom is what? Negative 2 squared, which is 4, bless you, minus 1. That will be 3. 0 divided by 3 is going to be what? 0. And f of negative 2 is 0, we're fine. I mean, the function is defined, only the numerator is 0. We can divide nothing by anything, right, except by 0. Remember yesterday I told Jake that if we have nothing, you can, divide that nothing, slice it up, so every friend of yours gets nothing, and you're fine. Take a piece, if you give nothing to everybody, nothing could be divided.